SteveO here with windowcleaner.com. In this video, I want to talk about how to choose a water-fed pole. When buying a water-fed pole, it's not an inexpensive purchase, so it's good to know a little bit about the materials that water-fed poles are made out of. Behind me, I have three of the main materials, which is aluminum, hybrid, which is carbon fiber and fiberglass, and also 100% carbon fiber, which is the preferred for window cleaners. Now, when going over heights of 30 feet, it's going to be all carbon fiber poles. Why? When working with an aluminum water-fed pole, these are going to be good up to about 20 feet, but past there, it's going to be too heavy and it's not going to be very stiff to get a good scrub on the glass. When thinking about a hybrid pole, these are really made from anywhere between 21 to 25 feet. Once again, this is going to be lighter and more rigid than an aluminum pole, but when you go up to heights of 30, 40, 50 feet, it's just not going to be good as far as stiffness and weight. So that's when it moves into carbon fiber. So if you're looking to reach lengths of 30 all the way up to 90 feet, there are carbon fiber options for going that high. Now, when considering how tall do I need to reach for the jobs that I'm doing, if you're doing residential work 2 to 3 stories, a 30-foot water-fed pole is perfect. If you're doing 2 to 3 story commercial, you're gonna wanna consider a 40-foot water-fed pole. Now, if you're doing up to 4 stories, a 50-foot, 6 stories, a 70-foot. Using a water-fed pole is never easy at that height, but we definitely have the options available for reaching that. If you have any other questions about water-fed poles, all the product specialists here, including myself, are happy to help with any questions. I hope you have a great day.